road to success is not the path you find, but the trail you blaze. Beginning at St. George State Academy, then Dixie State University, and finally, Utah Tech University, this historic institution has risen from the desert as one of the fastest growing, most affordable, safest, and rapidly evolving universities in the nation. Our Polytechnic Mission creates hands-on learning opportunities from day one in all of our 200 programs. Through internships, experiential learning, and industry partnerships, I will graduate career ready. Although this journey was not always easy, I know that education is the single most powerful tool to change the world. Disappointments are inevitable and change is inescapable, but difficulties mastered are opportunities won. In Trailblazer Nation, you will not only discover who you are meant to become, but have the greatest time of your life. Go Utah Tech!